seen me or anything? And I'm standing there, you know, in the tank top, and I'm like, no, dude, I'm in. And both of them like this. They're my best friends in the world now, Chico and Buddy. They're my best friends. And so here comes David Page, the producer, short little guy, been doing news. He won an Emmy for Beirut and all this thing. And he goes, "Are you guys?" Yes, Ferrari, no, it's Fiat, but don't worry, but don't let the details get in the way. And he says, "Here's what we're going to do. Do you have any better clothes than that?" I reach into my bag, and all I have is a bowling shirt, but it's a Dickies work shirt, okay? But they call it a bowling shirt. I bowl. I bowl. So I put it on. You know, get the glasses on. I'm all tired from the, you know, horrible seat in the middle, flying from Cali. So he's like, "Here's what you're going to do. You're going to go in here. You're going to tell this guy. You're going to ask him these questions." He goes through the questions. He goes, "Do you understand that?" And he doesn't make that voice. It's just and he says, "Do you understand? You go in, you're going to do this. Go to a little diner, Bayway Diner in Linden, New Jersey. First place we ever shot. 8 stools. People, guys cooking and those things. You ask these questions. Well, I don't know about you guys, but you do not, from the restaurant world, walk into someone's kitchen line and start giving them the Maury Povich 2020. You know, I've got to sit there, so I'm kind of, you know, smooth, like, "Hey man," and someone needs coffee, so I'm like, "So, how long have you been doing this?" You know, "Really? Oh, let me flip those eggs for you." Okay, so how, I mean, and so we go through this whole thing, and like 5 minutes go by, and all of a sudden, I see the producer at the end of the thing, and he yells, "Cut! Cut!" I'm like, "Oh God, I'm going to be fired." Yeah. Come walking off the thing and brings me outside, and the camera guy standing there. I was boom. And he goes, "What was that?" And this is literally happened because we just covered this in an article. "What was that?" I said, "Dude, I can't walk in there and ask those pointed questions. I gotta work this, man. I'm gonna make this happen. I gotta talk to him. I gotta be real in the moment. If this is the restaurant industry, and I'm on the line." And he goes, "Could you do that again?" I go, "Do that?" I said, "I do that, stand on my head." He drops the clipboard, raises his little arms up in the air, and goes, "We got a hit!"